In this quick video, I will show you how to stake HEDERA Hashgraph step by step. So the first step is to go to hedera.com, click start, and then scroll down and choose what wallet you're going to use. So for this video, we're going to use HBar. So if you don't have a HBar yet, you can just click here, click download, and you can install it on Chrome or launch the web app. So I have a HBar here on my extension, so I will just click here and then select your node. So we're going to use LG, and please take note of this information. So when you stake a Hedera, your full balance is automatically staked. Your funds are fully available for use while staked. You can unstake or switch nodes freely. You may need to wait up to 48 hours for staking rewards to start, and staking rewards do not need to be manually collected and will be automatically collected when doing any transaction. And if you want to read more about the rewards, you can just click here. So once you have selected your node, just click stake here, and as you can see, I have staked the Hedera successfully, so just click done. And now you can see here the node that I have selected, the next reward period, which is 9 hours from now, pending rewards, and the total rewards. If you want to collect your rewards, just click here. And if you have any questions about how to stake Hedera Hashgraph, leave a comment below.